The storm did not disappoint. It's actually not too bad though, it's kind of nice. Got windy last night though when that snowstorm started blowing in. It stayed nice and warm in the hot tent all night long. Got a little chilly in the morning, but it wasn't bad. The fire had been out for a while. As soon as I added firewood, it warmed up quickly. We're gonna make some food. If you've never had morel mushrooms, you're missing out. Put them in this hot water and let it sit until they rehydrate. And I'll put my soup in the hot water, and this usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to rehydrate. Gonna add some salt and pepper. I'll just saute these for about 5 or 6 minutes. We're going to put lots of cheese on there. Kind of a mess with shredded cheese, but that's all I had. Morel stuffed grilled cheese. It's so good. I highly recommend.